Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to add music to Facebook Stories. So let's dive right in. Open the Facebook app and tap on the Create Story button at the top left corner of your home screen. Instead of snapping a photo or video right away, take a look at the options lining the top of your screen. You'll see icons for text, music, and more. Go ahead and tap the music icon. Facebook will open its music library, giving you a world of audio to explore. Browse by mood if you're looking for something specific, like a feel-good summer anthem or a melancholic tune to match your mood. Or, if you have a particular genre in mind, there are categories for everything from pop and rock to classical and country. You can even use the search bar at the top of the screen to find a specific song by title or artist. To get a feel for a song before you commit to it, simply tap the play button next to the song title. Once you've discovered the perfect song to complement your story, tap on it. Then, select the background for the music. This will automatically create a story with the music playing in the background, ready for you to add your own special touch. And there you have it. By using this method, you can add music to Facebook Stories. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.